By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the ins and outs of creating a robust lesson plan with AI, but you'll also walk away knowing how to use a specific ChatGPT prompt to generate comprehensive lesson plan drafts, how to interpret and refine those AI-generated plans, and ultimately, how to save significant time in your planning process. You'll be ready to transform your lesson planning from a chore into a creative partnership with AI. Do you ever feel like lesson planning is a mountain you have to climb every single day? You know, that endless quest to create the perfect roadmap for your students, outlining every turn, every landmark, every learning adventure? It can be a lot, right? Objectives to define, materials to gather, captivating intros, step-by-step procedures, assessments. It's enough to make even the most passionate teacher feel a little overwhelmed. But what if I told you there's a powerful tool that can turn that mountain into a molehill? A tool that can help you sketch out that roadmap faster, more efficiently, and with incredible detail? That tool, my friends, is ChatGPT. And today, we're diving deep into a specific prompt that will revolutionize the way you approach lesson planning. Get ready to unlock your teaching superpower. Here's the prompt. Create a lesson plan for teaching a science lesson. Type the lesson's name to grade students. Here's what it should cover. Objectives. What are the students expected to learn by the end of the lesson? Materials. Lists of textbooks, handouts, or other resources needed for the lesson. Introduction. A brief overview or hook to engage the students. Procedure. Step-by-step activities that will take place to achieve the lesson's objectives. Assessment. Methods to evaluate if the objectives have been met, like quizzes, discussions, or homework assignments. Conclusion. A wrap-up of the lesson, usually summarizing key points or reviewing the main objectives. Now, you might be thinking, that looks like a lot of detail. And you're right. The more detail you give ChatGPT, the better and more specific its output will be. This prompt is designed to hit all the key components of a robust lesson plan. Let's do a live demo. Imagine I need a lesson plan for a 5th grade science class. The topic? The water cycle. So I'll take our prompt and fill in those bracketed parts. Then click enter. Look at this. In mere seconds, ChatGPT has given us a fantastic starting point for teaching the water cycle to 5th graders. Let's break down what it's provided. Objectives. See how clearly it defines what students should grasp? Things like identify and define the main stages and illustrate the water cycle in a diagram are clear and measurable goals. Materials. It lists everything from the basics, like a whiteboard and markers, to specific items for an experiment, like a clear cup or jar, water, plastic wrap. Super helpful. Introduction. It even suggests a hook question. Have you ever wondered where rain comes from? And ideas for a quick animation to grab their attention. Procedure. This is the heart of it. A structured, step-by-step guide. It outlines vocabulary introduction, an interactive mini experiment in a jar, a diagram activity, and even a class discussion. It's all laid out for you. Assessment. How will we know they learned? ChatGPT gives us options like an exit ticket, where students write one sentence for each stage, or a short quiz. Practical ways to check for understanding. Conclusion. A solid wrap-up, reviewing key terms and asking big-picture questions like, why is the water cycle important for plants, animals, and people? This isn't just a basic outline. It's a remarkably detailed draft. Think of the time this saves you. Instead of staring at a blank page, you now have a solid framework to refine and personalize. Now, while ChatGPT is amazing, remember, it's a tool, not a replacement for your incredible human ingenuity and expertise. This generated plan is your starting point, your first draft. Here's how you make it truly yours. Personalize and adapt. Think about your students. What are their specific needs, interests, or challenges? Does this plan need more hands-on activities for kinesthetic learners, or more visual aids? Inject your personality. Teaching is an art. How can you add your unique flair? Maybe a personal anecdote, a specific joke, or a creative twist on an activity. Check for curriculum alignment. Always cross-reference with your school's curriculum standards. Does the plan meet all the required learning objectives for your grade level? Time management. ChatGPT doesn't know your class periods. Review the procedure and adjust timings to fit your actual schedule. Troubleshoot and anticipate. Read through the procedure as if you were teaching it. Where might students get stuck? What questions might they ask? Pre-plan your responses. By taking this AI-generated draft and applying your teaching wisdom, you'll create a lesson plan that's not just functional, but truly exceptional. Give this prompt a try. Experiment with different subjects, different grade levels. You might be amazed at what you can create. What other teaching challenges are you facing that AI could help with? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more teaching tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.